If you are asked what is Flamingo's original color, maybe you will answer, he is pink. But wait a minute. Actually, the flamingo's color is not pink, but gray. You can see the color of the newly hatched flamingo chicks. They are gray. Then why are they pink when they grow up? This is influenced by their natural food, which consists of shrimp and algae, which contain many substances called carotenoids. This substance will change the color of the flamingo's feathers to pink as they grow. And to maintain this beautiful pink color, flamingos are required to always eat this algae and shrimp. Otherwise, their color will change to their original color, which is gray.